Are you looking for the ultimate freshly updated IPTV playlist that actually works? Welcome back to Tech Vibes. In this video, I am sharing a highly anticipated new IPTV update featuring 15 powerful premium servers. Today you are getting both direct M3U playlist URLs and Extreme Codes credentials completely for free. These servers are perfect for streaming live sports, international movies, and premium networks in high definition. Make sure you do not skip any part because some of these servers require a specific trick to connect without errors. You can use these servers in two different ways. If your player supports Extreme Codes API, simply enter the host URL, username, and password. If your player uses M3U playlists, you can copy the full playlist URL directly. Now here's a major secret to avoid connection errors. Many of these premium servers like Total Play, Panel Guys, and Cloud CDN have geo restrictions. If a server shows a connection error or fails to load, do not worry. Simply turn on a VPN, change your location, and try connecting again. It will bypass the restriction instantly. To make it extremely easy for you, I have categorized all 15 servers with their respective expiry dates in the pinned comment below this video, so you can just copy and paste them safely. We have carefully verified these servers, and some of them, like Gold TV and Premium OTT, have long expiry dates, extending all the way into next year. This means you get uninterrupted streaming for a very long time. Because these public servers can get crowded quickly, I release these fresh updates regularly. If you want to get your hands on these active codes before anyone else, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on all notifications. Let me know in the comments which server is working the best on your device. If this video helped you out, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes, and I will see you in the next update.